So the question, do you think that Bitcoin can go to $1 million? What do you think? Drop in the comments below. I really, truly want to hear from you. This is something that's been in the news now for a day or so. Okay. So Michael Saylor, who's the CEO of MicroStrategy, one of the biggest, most, publicly known Bitcoin maximalist out there, has come out on record and said, quote, Bitcoin, if it's not going to go to zero, it's going to go to $1 million. Okay. Now, in this little piece of content, this article, he talks about why Bitcoin could not, or really it will never go to a zero, which I don't believe that it would go to zero anyway. I mean, you have to have zero belief in the entire crypto market to believe that Bitcoin would go to a zero. So he's basically creating this scenario of, if it's not going to go to zero, then it's going to go to $1 million. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Okay, so I own Bitcoin. I own Ethereum. It's just one of my holdings, but I am a fan. And so I wanted to show you this. So he was on, Michael was on CNBC's Squawk Box commenting on the new crypto bill proposed on June 7th by 2 U.S. senators, and stating why he believes Bitcoin is going to finally achieve the price of 1 million. And he said, quote, if Bitcoin is not going to go to zero, then it's going to go to $1 million. Okay. Again, I actually think there's a real strong possibility. And the way I look at it is like, okay, well, let's say it doesn't go to $1 million. Do you think it's going to go to back up to its highs in this high 60s? Yep. Do you think it's going to go over 100,000? Yep. Do you think it's going to go over 500,000? I think the answer is yes. And here's why. Because the overall crypto market is going to grow. We're at 1.25 trillion right here, right now. It's already shown Bitcoin that can go to 68,000. And when the overall crypto market cap grows to 3 trillion, 4 trillion, 5, 7, 10 trillion, then yes, you bet Bitcoin will definitely grow to 100,000, 200,000, 3, 4, 500,000, as far as the price point. Okay. It is the single largest crypto in the entire crypto market cap scenario, making up 584 billion as far as market cap goes. And then Ethereum basically a little bit, right there, a little bit less than half. But between those two, at roughly 800 billion, they make up north of 60+% of the overall crypto market. Closer to probably about 70% of the overall market capitalization is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And Bitcoin being, let's call it 600 billion approximately, is a third of it itself. Okay. 30% of the entire crypto market capitalization is Bitcoin. Okay. So yes, Bitcoin definitely could go to $1 million. Okay. So why, when asked if Bitcoin is going to drop further to suffer significant losses, Michael Saylor stated that he does not believe the flagship cryptocurrency is likely to drop to zero. He says both skeptics and deniers have been wrong. Bitcoin has not been banned by governments, and they're seeking ways to adopt and regulate it. Okay. Bitcoin is certainly not going to go to zero. If it's not going to go to zero, then it's going to go to $1 million. The key word here, obviously, one of the key words that I've been picking up recently is regulation. So regulation's coming. Regulation's coming for crypto. And when it does, when regulation goes into effect, there's trillions of dollars globally, worldwide, waiting to come into crypto after regulation happens to crypto. And when that happens, again, market capitalization will go up and a tremendous amount of money will flow into Bitcoin. Period. End of story. Okay. What are your thoughts? Bitcoin to $1 million. Drop in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, have a good one. Go make some money. I'll see you. Bye.